This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Anghami and signing in with the account that has the Flex bundle. Once signed in, make sure you can access the account or profile area. That's where subscriptions live. If you're on iOS or Android, decide whether the subscription is billed through Apple/Google, because canceling in the App Store differs. If billed directly, go straight to the Anghami settings. Keep your payment method details nearby so you can identify the active Flex bundle quickly. Once you're in Account Subscriptions, scan the list for the Flex bundle name and check its next billing date to confirm it's the active plan. Click Manage or the three-dot menu beside Flex to reveal options. If Cancel appears, tap it and read any prompts. Anghami sometimes offers alternatives or asks why. If your subscription shows as billed by Apple or Google, the entry will instruct you to open that store app instead. Follow that link to continue the cancellation there. Finalize by confirming the cancellation and noting when your Flex access ends so you don't lose content unexpectedly. Once done, check your email for the cancellation confirmation and save a screenshot of the subscription status page for records. If the cancel button is missing or the plan still shows active after confirmation, make sure the subscription is not managed by Apple/Google. Open their subscriptions page and cancel there. If problems persist, contact Anghami support with your account details and your screenshots as evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.